What the fuck? I teleported over.
I fucking hate you.
I just ate some.
Jump on my head.
I just ate some chicken and
No.
rewatched
Jump on my head.
Ruler of Everything.
No.
Jump on my head.
You're gonna fling me in the air. And I'm gonna die to fall damage because the elevator's going down. Fuck. I'm done. I'm out of here.
That's a kind of pretty voice.
Hey yo.
Yes, I said I was eating some chicken and rewatching Rule of Everything.
I have 5 health.
It's important to remember your place in the world so that you can remember to love people instead of trying to think of yourself as a king. I'm in hell.
Is this DGen hours? Is that what this is?
I don't know about you, but I'm waking up.
This shit's always DJ hours. What are you talking about?
He was getting annoying. He's got us some
waking up to ash and dust.
to ass and bus.
Oh my god, somebody's got the bridge. Somebody's controlling the bridge from the grave. Uh-oh.
I think we should have some chimpkin.
Aha, that guy got fucking owned. No, get the fucking bridge away from me.
Hey, Positive. Don't turn
No.
around. And
No.
don't stop either.
Don't
I watched
stop.
you murk him. Go away.
I didn't murk him. I have a fucking deagle and an MP5. You're being chased by
No,
a
you
paper
have
plane.
you have a.
No, I'm being chased by the paper plane now. It's the other
Yeah,
person that's
no.
on the ground
I
with
was
us, by the
getting
way.
chased too. Yeah, look at this guy. This guy's a real gamer. Look at him working. Woo!
There's fucking chickens here.
Oh, it's
Jesus
you.
Christ.
It's you, dude. Oh my god. Why didn't I just shoot
Oh
you?
my god.
Oh, Bucky's still alive.
Hi.
Bucky's at you.
Yeah.
You could just spawn like 500 chickens. Ow! You
Chimpkin.
shitter!
Chimpkin.
Positive, shoot whoever it was, because it wasn't me.
Yeah.
Shoot the other person. Working, was it you? It had to have been.
Yeah. It was me. It was me.
Uno was mad,
Oh.
he knew he'd been had, so he shot at the sun with a gun.
Oh, it was Bucky.
Shot at the sun with a
Shot me
gun.
with the fucking
Shot
shotgun
at this
into the
one,
brick.
Wiley one, only friend.